Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your rear derailleur. First, let's tackle the high limit screw, often marked H. This crucial screw prevents your chain from overshifting past the smallest cog on your cassette. To adjust it, shift into your smallest cog. Turn the H screw clockwise until the upper guide pulley aligns perfectly with the center of the smallest cog. This ensures smooth engagement and prevents the chain from dropping off. Next, we move to the low limit screw, typically marked L. This screw is vital for preventing your chain from shifting past the largest cog and potentially hitting your spokes. Shift your bike into the largest cog. Turn the L screw until the upper guide pulley aligns precisely with the center of the largest cog. This adjustment ensures your chain shifts smoothly onto the largest cog without any overshooting. Now, let's address the B-tension screw. This screw adjusts the distance between your upper derailleur pulley and the cassette cogs. For proper adjustment, shift your bike into the largest cog at the rear and the smallest chainring at the front. Turn the B-tension screw until there is a gap of approximately 5 to 6 millimeters between the upper pulley and the largest cog. This optimizes shifting performance across all gears. Finally, we fine-tune the indexing using the barrel adjuster. This adjuster controls the cable tension, which is crucial for crisp and accurate shifts. Shift through all your gears one by one. If shifting is slow or hesitant, turn the barrel adjuster counterclockwise in quarter-turn increments. If the chain overshifts, turn it clockwise. Test each gear to ensure every shift is smooth and precise, completing your adjustment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.